Hi Year 4, it's Miss Ryan here. I hope you're well and keeping safe. Now in today's video we are looking at ordering angles, okay? And we're going to do it from smallest to largest. Now in yesterday's video we began to discuss some of the types of angles that we could have, and I hope you can remember that they were acute. What'd be really good is if you can remember the ranges of angles that you'd get. So acute, we'd have right angle, and we've got obtuse. These are the three angles that we are focusing on. The fourth one that we sometimes come across is a reflex angle, okay? But that is something that we will look at another time, okay? Now today you're going to be looking at ordering these from smallest to largest, okay? Now look at these angles. First thing that puts you off straight away is that you can see they're not all the same way. Some are differently. So some are coming to the side, some are half to the side, some are straight, others are completely upside down. Don't let that put you off, okay? When you are older, or you might not be able to do it now, you might go out for a walk and you have to read a map. Now, it's a really important math skill that you orientate, which means you turn to suit your needs, okay? So, here is your first question. We have got to, and I'll put number 1 here, order these from smallest to largest and make sure that we are doing it just through our eye because we haven't got a compass to hand, okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do is draw your imaginary right angle, okay? Now, as I said to you today, you're going to have to orientate it. So, what that means is that this bottom line needs to be accessible. So, I need to orientate it so that it's straight, ready for me to access. Now, I'm going to do an imaginary straight line to make it a right angle. You guys are going to do this as well onto yours. Now, as you can see, this is more than a right angle. So what type of angle would this make? It would be a obtuse, okay? We'll do the same again for B. So I'm here, I'm going to turn it so that I know the bottom line is in front of me. And I'm going to do my imaginary right angle line. Okay, so this one is acute. Okay, again, do it again to make sure the line is in front of me. I'm going to do my imaginary line up. Again, it is past the right angle, so this would make it obtuse. Okay, but look at the difference. Would you say that is a bigger angle compared to this? I would agree that it is a bigger angle, okay? And then finally, you can see here how much of an acute angle this is. It's only small, okay? But again, you draw your right angle up and you can clearly see that it's smaller than a right angle, so is acute. So let's order these from smallest to largest. So you can clearly see the smallest angle here is this one. So D goes first. The next acute angle is this one, which is B. Your next one would be, now we did say it was A because it was quite a smaller obtuse angle. I'd say that would be about 98 degrees, okay, if we were going to estimate it. And then finally, the largest angle here is C, and I would say that's about 145 degrees, but we're just estimating. Now, here is your next question. And again, you can see they're all different ways. As I've gone through that other question, I've rubbed off the numbers and the letters. But remember that key, you've got to orientate your page. That means to turn your page so that the bottom line is facing you so that you can draw your right angle line, okay? So look at A, I'm going to turn it. I'm turning. It is straight, ready for me to draw my right angle line, which is showing me that this angle is an acute angle, okay? My next one. Now, it does look like a right angle, but actually it's not, because remember I told you yesterday about this circle, okay? So this is showing me that it is slightly acute, okay? So I'll put my acute there. Next one. Oh, I've got another little acute. So again, I'm going to draw my imaginary line up. And see how I turned my page again? Make sure that bottom line is so I can draw my right angle. And this again shows me that it's acute. And finally, I don't need to draw this because I know it's a right angle. How do I know it? It's got the square angle to show me it's right angle. So let's order these then from smallest to largest. Now, I know here it's quite obvious to see that the smallest angle is C. Now, the next one could be quite tricky, but look, this one's further away from the right angle, so which means it would be the smaller one. So A is the next, followed by B, and the largest angle here, which is the right angle, is D. Now remember what a right angle and what it is? It's 90 degrees. Always remember that. Any questions, please post on the blog. But remember, the trick for ordering angles is get that imaginary right angle line drawn. Good luck, guys. I'll see you soon.